Hello, whether we are data engineers, data scientists, or data admin, we have to deal with data. And data stores in data warehouse database. These databases can be managed by DBMS via SQL commands. In these SQL commands, two categories of SQL commands are very common, DDL and DML. DDL, which stands for Data Definition Language, consists SQL commands which can be used to create, modify, or delete the database objects like database, tables, columns, views, etc. Basically, it focuses on the structure or schema of the database, not on the data. These commands are generally irreversible in nature and generally not used by the end users. 5 SQL commands are come under this category, which are create, which can be used for the creation of database table. Second is alter, that can be used to add, modify, or delete the constraints column or other related to structure. Third one is drop, which can be used to delete the record as well as the structure of the table. And third one is truncate, which can be used to delete the record or the data of the table at once. And last one is rename, which can be used to rename the database table, etc. On the other side, DML, which stands for Data Manipulation Language. As the term denotes, here manipulation of data occur within the database. These commands are used to create, modify, or delete the data of the database objects. These commands can be used with where clause, and these commands are generally reversible in nature and can be used for analysis and reporting. 4 SQL commands are come under this, which are select, which can be used to select the records of the table database, and second one is insert, which can be used to add a record in an existing table. Third one is delete, which can be used to selectively delete the record of the table. Fourth one is update, which can be used to modify the record or data of the table. Apart from these two categories, there are more categories like DCL, which stands for Data Control Language, consists SQL commands like branch, revoke, and other is TCL, which stands for Transaction Control Language and consists save point, commit, rollback, etc. Thank you.